Hey guys, what's happening? It's the day before reetsuri. Keep it Reet. Got the crest here, front bar. I don't actually know what I pulled off it or what I did last time I was here. So that's a good guessing game of putting everything back together. No rear bumper because I was going to build a rear bar, jack off and stuff, make life a lot easier. Put a gearbox in Dylan's 180. Got it sorted, got a couple clips there. Forgot to video because it ended up being late at night on Thursday night, but we got what we had to do and got it done. And other than that, I'm gonna put the Cressida back on, or back together, put it back on the trailer, and leave probably like 4 o'clock in the morning, get up there early and sign on. I'll see you then. So what's going on here, Dylan?
Change my gearbox the day before, keep it Reet, because...
Are you on Friday?
No, I'm going Saturday, but fucking gearbox shit itself when I went to go get a wheel on it this morning. And now we're putting a stock SR 5-speed in, a 300 kilo SR, and hoping for the best.
Stock SR, not stock SR. Look at that. Look at the size difference. How many laps should you give it, Dylan?
I'm going to say 2 hours.
Anyway, this is a big old girl. It's actually real slow. Just looks pretty. Hurts his feelings. Old box out. New box going in. Let's see how we go. Here we are, bright and early, boys. If you know, you know. Anyway, at Keep It Reet, living the dream, great venue, ruling, like always. Tracks running mint. Car's playing up a bit with like an ignition thing or a safety switch, limp mode thing for when it gets to a certain temperature. But I'm on the mends to fix it. Hopefully get some good videos. Got to go on the way, so I've missed the first half of the day, but keep you posted.
So if you are going to fuck up, just hit the clutch and roll backwards.
my 5-speed SR box up today and didn't last the whole day. Luke has to buy me Macca's, but if the box lasted the whole day, I had to buy Luke McDonald's. So it's not all broken gears and shafts because I get fucking McDonald's for free.
Yeah,
But if you come over here and have a look, with the engine running, I can select whatever gear I want without the clutch going in.
beautiful.
Reverse, bit of fifth. Ow!
Hit that Luke, you up for a fucking Big Mac. So, going pretty good for the day. It's going sick. I'm pretty sure I've got some footage of everyone helping me get it because I've been driving today. Only issue is getting hot just here. Dylan! Woo! Dylan's on the hose, getting it done. We go out, we can get roughly 3 or 4 laps in, couple entries. I'm gonna bring it back in because it's getting hot going in limp mode, which is pretty scary at times. But I'm gonna keep sending it for the rest of the afternoon. Sorry about the handover, the camera just then. And yeah, I'll see you at presentation. Set up. Yeah, Matty. Big scan days look fun. Belt slap. Stop it. Right, guys, wrapping up the vlog here. Sick day. Team would keep it Reet. Put on a mad day. Mule and Pheasant's Nest. Also withheld. Bring on a great track, did all the rest of it. Pretty much sick. I've got a mad cooling issue, but I'll sort that out tomorrow. Stay tuned for the next one. I got a bit of a surprise, next drift car. Yeah, and that's a wrap.